Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Learn with Nadia. Today we are going to be learn very popular English words commonly mispronounced. I am going to be telling you the wrong pronunciation first and then correct way of the pronunciation. So first word is broccoli. Mostly people says broccoli. No, it is not. It's broccoli. Broccoli.
Next word is photography. People says photography, but it's photography. Photography, not photography. Photography. Next word is desert. Desert. Mostly people says desert. No, it's not. It's desert. Desert. Next word, this one is a very popular brand Versace. Versace. But people says wrong. It's not Versace. It's Versace. Pronunciation. Say pronunciation, not pronunciation. Pronunciation is wrong word. Breakfast. People says breakfast, but it's breakfast, not breakfast. Next word is phenomenon. Not phenomenon, it's phenomenon. Next word is vehicle. People says vehicle, but it's vehicle. Say vehicle, not vehicle, it's vehicle. Sword. No, it's not sword, it's a sword. Next word is carrier. People says carrier, but it's courier. Not carrier, it's courier. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.